Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Kale CM, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Physics, Indraj Art, Commerce and Science College, Sindor, District of Maharashtra. I would like to discuss the research work on effect of Ti4 plus substitution on structural and electrical properties of nickel ferrites. As we know that what is ferrites? Ferrites are ferrimagnetic materials composed of iron oxide and metal oxide. Ferrites are classified mainly in three groups: spinel ferrite, garnet, and hexaferrite. Spinel ferrites are the important class of magnetic materials because they have high electrical resistivity and low electrical as well as dielectric losses, and it has good magnetic properties. Due to their twin property of electrical insulator and magnetic conduction, they can be used in many applications. These are the applications of spinel ferrites. Nickel ferrite is a inverse spinel ferrite, high anisotropy constant, high electrical resistivity, high Curie temperature, high magnetization, used as a high frequency application. As we know that many workers have been studied on nickel ferrites, they have studied the idea about the tetravalent substitution in nickel ferrites. The substitution of tetravalent ion may lead to increase resistivity of magnetic properties. The substitution of tetravalent ion like Ti4 plus in nickel ferrite has not been studied in detail. So the present aim of this work is that to investigate structural, electrical, dielectric, magnetic, and Mossberg properties of nickel ferrite substituted by Ti4 plus ions. This is a simple technique to prepare the ferrite material. I use solid state reaction method to prepare the nickel ferrite material. For characterization techniques, I have taken XRD using model PW3710. Scanning angle is 70 degree to 80 degree. Target is copper. Valence is 1.5404 angstrom, and scanning rate is 1 degree per minute, and temperature, of course, room temperature. DC electrical characterization takes place by using two probe techniques, by using chromo aluminum thermocouples. This is a DC resisted setup I have used, and here I would like to say this data is taken from Department of Physics, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. These are the X-ray plots. Here we observe that the X-ray plots are clean, sharp, and intense. No extra peak found in that one. So using that XRD data, I have calculated lattice constant, particle size, X-ray density, bulk density, and porosity. You just observe that the X-ray lattice constant goes on decreasing as we increase the Ti4 plus ions content. This is a cation distribution I have calculated by using X-ray diffraction data. Resistivity plots, you observe that there were two parts separated by kink, at which we get the activation energy, that is the transition temperature. Activation energy, you observe here, it is very less, in between 0.18 to 0.31 in the range. These are the parameters calculated by using this nickel ferrite: lattice constant, porosity, bulk density, etc. Lastly, I would like to draw some conclusion. Single phase cubic spinel ferrite was confirmed by X-ray analysis. Lattice constant decreases with Ti4 plus ion substitution. The lattice constant, particle size, bulk density, X-ray density decreases with Ti4 plus content X increases. Cation distribution data indicate that Ni2 plus ions occupy tetrahedral octahedral B sites, whereas Ti4 plus ions and Fe3 plus ions both occupy tetrahedral and octahedral B sites. Activation energy in paramagnetic region greater than that of ferromagnetic region. Resistivity decreases with temperature. Thus, the substitution of Ti4 plus ions in nickel ferrite has a strong influence on structural and electrical properties. So, thanks once again. I would like to say thanks here.